Every scar a story told, every crack still lined with gold. Broken hands still learn to hold. Love survives, it won't grow cold. Rust and roses, both in me. One fades away, one learns to breathe. Bleeding steel, yeah, soft it knows. Life is made of rust and roses. Pages of letters smudged in the rain. Words still remember, echo the pain. Callous palms reaching, searching for life. Still I am standing, ready to fight. Every loss has taught me well. Hope still blooms where shadows fell. Even iron bends with time, and still the rose will choose to climb. Rust and roses, both in me. One fades away, one learns to breathe. Bleeding steel, yet soft and knows. Life is made of rust and roses. If I break, let it be true. The cracks will let the light shine through. If I bleed, let it remind destined roses that survive. Rust and roses, hear them sing. One is the end, one's beginning. Iron fades, but still it shows. Life is made of rust and roses.
This dance is called Rust and Roses, choreographed by Will Boss and Mandy Sanders. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling count line dance. There are 2 tags and 4 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, forward, sweep your left, cross, quarter turn left, right foot back, quarter turn left, left foot forward, half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left facing 12, behind side. 1/8 right, left foot forward facing 130, right foot forward, kicking left foot forward, left foot back, quarter turn right, side, cross facing 430, quarter turn right, right foot forward, sweep your left facing 730, 1/8 left, jazz box, 3 counts. Cross, 1/8 left, back, side. facing 6 o'clock. Section 2, 1/8 left, right foot forward, facing 4:30, left foot back, 1/8 right, right foot side, 1/8 right, left foot forward, facing 7:30, right foot forward, sweep your left, cross, right foot back, right foot back, drag your left heel, left foot, coaster step, right foot forward, hit your left foot, make a 1/8 right, facing 9, cross side behind. Section 3, quarter turn right, right foot forward, sweep your left facing 12, weave, cross side behind, 1/8 right, right foot forward, facing 1:30, left foot, rock forward, recover, half turn left, forward, facing 7:30, right foot forward, sweep your left, cross, 1/8 left, back, quarter turn left, forward, facing 3, half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left facing 9, behind side forward. Last section, right foot forward, left foot, rock forward, recover, quarter turn left, left foot forward, facing 3, half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left, behind side, cross, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 12, left foot, rock forward, recover, half turn left foot forward, facing 6, step right foot forward, make a full spiral turn to your left, hook your left foot forward, full turn to your left, half turn left back, half turn left forward. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and In the stance, there are 2 tag restarts. On wall 2 and wall 5, you will dance 16 counts, then add a 4 count tag, then restart the dance. On wall 2, you will restart the dance facing 6. On wall 5, you will restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with counts starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and This is the end of 16 counts. Now add a 4 count tag. Quarter turn right, step right foot forward, sweep your left, weave, quarter turn right. Cross side behind, quarter turn right, right foot forward, facing 9. Run around 3 quarter turn to your right, step in, left, right, left. Now you're facing 6, restart the dance. With counts for the tag. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and On wall 3 and wall 6, you will dance 24 counts, then make a quarter turn to your right, restart the dance. On wall 3, you restart the dance facing 6. On wall 6, you restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 with counts starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and 7. 8 and 1. 2 and 3. 4 and 5. 6 and R 7, 8 and R 1, 2 and R 3, 4 and R 5, 6 and R 7, 8 and R. That's the end of 24 counts. Now make a quarter turn to your right, 1. Restart the dance, facing 6 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.